Guys, right, my name's Matt Zena and I'm an award-winning acting coach with 20 plus years of experience working on set with some of the best acting talent in the world. I've worked for BBC ITV as an on-set acting coach, as well as working on various films, Hollywood funded, BAFTA nominated. So that's me. But why am I speaking to you right now? So you, and the reason why you're listening to this, are an established actor. Okay, so what actually happens is you maybe don't feel comfortable going to a regular acting class with, let's say, emerging actors. Okay, there's various reasons for that. Obviously, you will want to work with people of a certain ability, and you want to try out newer techniques that are coming out all of the time. We call it progressive acting methods. And you want to be able to learn them and kind of try them out without fear of judgment, and really just a safe space to just try out and decide, am I going to use this technique? Am I not? Is there anything that I don't particularly know? Is there anything I've not tried yet? And I want to create that environment for you. So the solution is I am going to create a 3-hour workshop once a month in central London for established actors, actors of a certain level. And the only way to actually become part of these workshops is by being invited. So there's a link, and from that link, all that you need to do is sign up, put your spotlight or your CV, and we will effectively look at that and invite you to come along. Every single person gets one other invite each. So if you've been invited and you fill out the form, they can then pass it on to one more person. And I'll be kind of keeping track on that, because on the form, obviously, you will be saying who you've been invited by. But we're going to create a waiting list in the first place, and we're going to get some really established, really good actors. And it's all for you to be able to, like I say, try out these new modern techniques in a safe environment. And obviously, you know as well as I know, you need to practice your craft. You need to keep adapting. You need to keep transient in the way that you operate within this business. I'm really looking forward to hopefully meeting up with you soon, and I'm really looking forward to seeing your application.